The Teams Approvals app allows you to manage approval processes created in Power Automate directly from Teams and to quickly create new approval requests. The first thing we need to do is add the Approval app into Teams. Click the ellipsis on the app bar on the left-hand side of Teams and search for the Approvals app and then choose Add. You'll now see the Approvals icon on the app bar, although it may still occasionally drop down onto the ellipsis. To avoid this happening, just right-click the icon and choose Pin. In the main Approvals screen, you will see two tabs to show existing approval requests that have been sent or received, along with their status, etc. You can select any outstanding requests and approve or reject them as required. You can also create new approval requests using the New Approval Request button, or directly from a Teams post or chat message by clicking the ellipsis and searching for approvals. You will then see the approval window open where you can enter the title of the request and the approvers' names. If you need all approvers to respond, then simply turn the slider on. You can add additional information about your request and attach files if needed. When you have added the information, simply click the Send button and wait for your responses. In summary, the Approvals app makes it easy to create and manage approvals directly from Teams. Approvals can be submitted to multiple approvers, and you can include full details of the approval request and add attachments.
This video is part of a series called Your Know-How. Watch other videos in the series to learn more about Microsoft 365.